Most of our clocks are atomic or automatic, but not the stove clock. Yep, we had our time changed last night. A knows what time it is, and she knows what time it is without me having to fix her. Remember the days of you had to get up in the morning and reset 10 clocks? I don't like mornings when it's raining because I can't sit on my bench or sit on my boardwalk or enjoy coming outside with you for a few minutes. It's all wet out there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to actually put my little rain thing on.
Yeah, he's going under the house to read the meter on the hot water heater. It's the 1st of the month.
That's right.
It's gonna say pour dawn. It's actually pouring now. Glad I got my kitty cats fed and they're back up on the platform here. It's a dreary, rainy day here at the environmental park. Not cold yet, but gonna be pretty darn cold overnight. I'm just out doing my Pokemon Go thing here for a few minutes. There's a little bit of a lull right now. We really have been having some periods of heavy rain here. The lower ball field here at South Park is puddled up. Over here you can see that they fertilized the grass and everything is really that green. Well, it stopped raining here and I checked the radar and all the heavy rain is to the east now. I think we're done. Now for the cold air to come rushing in. It's 57 out there right now, so fairly pleasant. I'm working on the roof and patio for my building. I've made good progress. You know, I'm a few bricks short. I know you guys think I'm always a few bricks short. Just kidding. But we got Shawn Michaels on right now, and the title of this video is the GMC Hummer EV is barely more than CGI, and I have 2 comments. Number 1, did we not learn from what happened with Nikola and their semi-truck and towing it? And also, why would GM do this? And the only thing I can come up with is that they don't want people to order the Cybertruck. You know, they felt the need. It was more important to get this out there than to wait until they had actually built one. That's the only conclusion I can come up with. And then Don had something to add to that.
Yeah, I definitely think that this 100% is a ploy to cause GM customers or people who are GM or Ford truck buyers to pause before buying a Cybertruck, because once they buy a Cybertruck, the chances of GM or Ford getting that customer back is very difficult. Remember, it's much easier to lose a customer than it is to get a customer back.
Or to keep a customer than to get them back.
I don't see, well, first of all, it's also a lot of respect for Tesla, because they know that Tesla's going to deliver. And they know that GM is not going to be able to count on customers saying, oh my God, GM, we've made a mistake buying a Tesla Cybertruck. Please, please, please sell us an electric pickup truck, GM. We'll come running, screaming back with our dollars in hand from Tesla back to GM. That ain't going to happen. They can't count on that happening. So they've got to stop the initial sale. And I would also like to point out, remember, in this particular case, this is GM doing this. They're the same people who signed this quirky deal with Nikola to do some kind of engineering development for $11 billion. I mean, that's total fantasy, and any due diligence at all should have taught them a lesson. But obviously, the people running GM, you got to wonder, they made that deal with Nikola, and now they've revealed a CGI Hummer. You got to wonder if what those at GM, I would be very concerned if I was a GM stockholder. Oh, I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
The thing I guess I was really trying to say about GM is I think they are desperate, absolutely desperate. They don't know what to do, and they're just doing anything they can possibly concoct. So, as I said, if I was a GM stockholder, I'd be very, very concerned.
Hi, Mittens. Hi. Are you up there on your comfy blanket and your comfy recliner waiting for Johnny to come home? She misses Johnny when Johnny's not here. She's used to being back in the room with him. She likes hanging with him at his computer. So she'll be very happy to see him in him. So we're out of hibernation for just a few minutes. The sun's out.
Yes,
We've just been having a very quiet and relaxing rainy Sunday. Yeah. So we're up for a few minutes before it gets dark early.
Yes, it's going to be dark in almost no time.
My stomach says it's later than it is.
Yes,
when you only eat once a day, and that's dinner, even an extra hour makes a lot of difference,
That's
right? So, but the sun is technically out.
Yeah, the sun is shining.
Tomorrow, I determined, will be put away Halloween. Today, I've worked on my Lego project. I'll show it to you here in a minute. I am still making very frequent deviled eggs, and they just finished cooking. There it is from the back side, the little patio area, the door into the house. And there's a door down here in the back also that comes out. You can see the elaborate fire escape system with windows strategically placed that, you know, you can get out. And I guess from this backside here, it is pretty much, it is done. On the front side, I am missing another row of roof pieces. I might be missing them here too, and there's a couple in here you can see. And this piece. And some 1x2 light gray flat pieces up here at the top. But it's, you know, it's mostly done. Those 1x2 gray pieces are on the way. The black roof pieces that are like this, I'm going to have to order some of those. I did order the window last night. Technically, I have the light gray pieces to replace these 3 dark ones, but I haven't taken the time to take it apart enough to do that. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. Tomorrow, probably, I will be doing furniture for the 3rd floor. I need more 1x2 flat gray piece there also. But, yeah, I finally fixed the roof over here and put the dark piece on. So I can call that done. Although, looking at it from the side over here, I'm feeling like I need to replace that brown piece with the black piece. So maybe you never 100% stop working on them. But for the most part, pretty good stop working on them. So there they be. Johnny's home and it's Sunday night AFV. I really want to know how in as many videos as I've done, I've never got an AFV moment. I really want to understand that.